In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track price moves like a pro using the price range tool. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner just stepping into the financial markets, understanding how to effectively track price movements can give you a significant edge. So, let's dive right into the process. The first thing you want to do is fire up your charting platform and locate the ruler icon on the left toolbar of your screen. This might seem simple, but this tool is essential as it helps you measure the price range accurately. Once you've found the ruler icon, go ahead and click on it. After that, a drop-down list will appear, and from that list, you should select the price range option. This tool allows you to measure the price movement between 2 points on your chart, which is incredibly useful for analyzing past trends and forecasting future moves. Now that you have the price range tool activated, it's time to select your start and end points on the chart. A great tip here is to pick a clear starting point, like the beginning of a trend or a notable low, and extend it to your desired endpoint, which could be a trend peak or another key level. By doing this, you will observe a box appearing on your chart that shows you both the percentage move and the price difference between the selected points. This immediate feedback is crucial for quick decision-making and validation of your analysis. If you feel the need to adjust your initial measurements, don't worry. Simply drag or edit the endpoints on the chart to refine your analysis. Sometimes minor tweaks can reveal a drastically different picture, and this flexibility ensures that your analysis remains accurate and aligned with your interpretation of market conditions. Moving forward, you might want to customize how these metrics are displayed. To do this, click on Style. Once you're in the Style menu, you'll see options like Text, Coordinates, and Visibility. Selecting text will let you adjust the visual aspects of the information displayed, ensuring it is clear and legible. For precise positioning, click on Coordinates, where you can input exact chart points if needed. Lastly, the Visibility option gives you control over when and where the information appears on your chart, which helps maintain a clean and organized workspace. After making your adjustments, remember to click OK to apply these changes. To conclude your session, simply tap anywhere on the chart to deselect the tool. If you need to remove the range you've drawn, just tap it once to highlight it, and press the trash icon to delete it. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to track price movements effectively, providing you with valuable insights into market trends. We hope this walkthrough helps enhance your trading strategy. Thank you for watching.